Okay. So, ang patikim ni Chris's Kitchen for today, for this day, for this vlog ay ang isang linggo ng mint chocolate chip ice cream. So, nagtutubig siya kasi nilabas ko na kanina ha. Dahil syempre matigas, medyo tinutunaw-tunaw namin. So, mint chocolate chip ice cream. So, definitely, amoy toothpaste. Mint eh. Diba? But this one, no, I like kasi yung lasa niya parang medyo vanilla na may, yun nga, parang toothpaste. Pero mas gusto ko to. And mind you, trivia, no, favorite ko ang ube. Pero between this and the ube ni Cricious, mas gusto ko pa to kaysa doon sa favorite ko supposedly na ube. Okay? So yan, medyo malambot na siya. As you can see, malambot na siya talaga. Kasi nilabas na namin sa freezer eh. Dahil nga, mahirap, ano yun, di ba? Mahirap kunin. So, ba't ako kumukuha ng ganito karami na? Kasi nga, gusto ko naman siya. Okay? So, for the price, no? It's less than 500 if I'm not mistaken, no? 500 or less than 600 pesos. So, if you're interested to try it, to buy it, no? Kay Chris's Kitchen, a reminder that if you're a member of LCIF Association, you can get some privilege or discounts or freebies, whatever, no? Sa mga accredited partners natin such as Chris's Kitchen. Of course, terms and conditions apply. Remember that, ha? Kanya-kanya sila ng terms and conditions. Now, as for the taste, yung texture, definitely ice cream. Okay? Definitely ice cream siya. Okay? Wow. Malamig, definitely kasi ice cream na. So, yan. So, malalaki yung cuts ng mga choco bits, no? And if you're someone na craving, no, sa ice cream, low carb version. Actually, this is technically not low carb per se. This is mid carb, no, as per the nutrition facts ni Chris's Kitchen. But if you're doing casual, no, LCIF lang, no, not really strict, not really yung technical and strict, pwede siya. Okay? Kasi mid carb siya. So, nandiyan naman. Pinakita ko naman kanina yung, yung nutrition facts. Now, again, if you're interested to try it, bili na.